All right, we are ready to take a drive. The
Can
Pound
we
Town.
do like
Drive
truck driving simulator?
What did you say, Jeff?
iRacing?
Truck driving simulator?
I'll play.
Like you're driving a big rig?
Gran Turismo?
Is that how they train new truck drivers as Truck Simulator? It's like that movie.
If you could think of a better way, I'd like to hear it.
Lines going out in 4,
Can't.
3, 2, 1. Waiting on start. Wait before you move. 4, 3, 2, 1. On tree roar. Really good grips here. Don't die to this tactical, guys. Lines going out in 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Hit your clears at your earliest convenience.
Okay.
Alice, you picked one up. Go clear on square. Angel, go get X.
I just
Okay.
cleared on square.
All right.
There's one in
Angel, you need to go clear the
melee
one on
scrap
X.
if you can get it. Thank you.
I don't have.
Or
All three are
Alice.
soaked.
I just did one up by square, sorry.
We'll be
All right, we'll figure it out. Awesome skill. This last set of lines before we move. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, lived. When rushes down, guys, kill golems and move it. Time dilation. Rally. Res Gordy. Alright, same clears, guys. On X, we're doing all the same clears. I think a golem got a shit off in the middle again. Maybe we'll clear it. The one behind you. So we just have less room in X. That's totally fine. Angel, you'll clear the one that you normally want to clear. Whatever you want to do. Lines going off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, these lines are going off before you really have to move, guys. 3, 2, 1. Now. Now we move. Use this knockback in a second. Use this knockback. Don't get knocked into a trap. Plenty of room here.
Bop TJ, Bop TJ.
Alright,
All the
new
balls.
lines going out in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Not when you're in position.
1.
I'm dead.
Clear by X, guys. Clear by X. Send the next 2 traps back where we came from.
Like square?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
No.
I'm lagging out of my chair right now, so
Bob TJ?
Move in the corner. I got the one in melee. All three are soaked. I got him. You got the new ads coming.
Take care of these lines, guys. Make them perfect. Stay clear.
lines going out. Alright.
Yeah,
got one.
do it. Watch your lines, watch your lines.
Any
watch your
personals here,
lines.
guys, to live.
Stationary.
Don't let Gullips get anything off.
I'm up.
All right, you just use any clears. Like pick up a golem thing and use it. Just anything. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, right there, Decrypt. Just wait. Just don't move.
Yeah.
Don't move.
Second pots are in 20.
Put him back.
I
got him.
We have a Brez.
Get that Ross in the corner. Get up Maple.
One bomb left in the back.
I went for it.
It's a window.
Moving. Stopped.
I'm moving for a sec there.
Contact you in a second.
Going right here.
Second pot, do it.
Thank you.
Watch
Just
your
stand
lines.
on.
Watch your lines. Stay.
All right. If we get another tactical, you're just planting.
Team's going off now.
Don't ignore bombs. Ignore bombs. Ignore bombs. Don't even worry about it. Just kill boss.
Touch him, TJ.
Touch of TJ.
Out.
Touch it, TJ!
Add
can't.
ads, pedal the ads.
Touch him now.
Let's
fucking go,
Yep.
I fucking died.
I'm sending all the cat videos.
I just want to say, as soon as the third tactical
hell,
off,
you
my
should've
internet
just in
fucking
time.
broke and I didn't see shit.